Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Streamlabs OBS tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up hotkeys to change scenes in OBS. So this can be useful, as you can see, to quickly change scenes in OBS. You can go from a be right back to just your webcam to your game in your webcam, whatever you want. You can configure that in Streamlabs using hotkeys. This can also be a good way to avoid the cost of a Stream Deck or something like that. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with how to do this. The first thing you're going to need is multiple scenes configured down here in the list of scenes available in Streamlabs. So once you have that configured, you can set up the hotkeys to switch between the different scenes. So the first thing we need to do is find the settings button down here. It'll look like a gear in the bottom left. Go ahead and select that gear to open up the settings. In the settings, we're going to select hotkeys. And then as you can see, it's got some different things you can do in hotkeys. If I scroll down, I'll see the name of each of my scenes right here. So I have scene bottom left, and at the bottom of that list of different hotkeys available, you'll see switch to scene. Now for you, this will be clear, so I'll just clear that out using the negative button down here. But all I need to do to add a hotkey to switch to that scene very quickly is to simply select in there the cursor so that it's blinking, and then select the buttons on the keyboard that I want to be the hotkeys. So for me, for that one, I want it to be Control 2. So as you can see, Control 2 comes up right there. And I can do this for all the scenes that I have configured. So right here we have scene top right. I have Control 4, scene bottom right, and then scene top left right there. Once you're done doing that, select Done in the bottom right. And then we have it configured. You could try them out. So I'll do Control 1, Control 2, Control 3, and Control 4. And I can switch back and forth and do that as many times as I want to using the hotkeys. So that's how you set up hotkeys in Streamlabs OBS to change scenes. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Streamlabs or Streamlabs OBS tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.